Theorem 6.2 is just the converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so this is converse of BPT. What it says, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. So see, in converse part, whatever given things were there in BPT theorem, now here we have to prove the same. Okay, and whatever we have proved there, here we will use that statement. So see, in a triangle is given. Okay, in a triangle ABC, D and E are the two distinct points given, and it is given that they are in equal ratio. DE segment divides the sides into two equal ratio. That means AD by DB and AE by EC are equal. Then what we have to prove, that this line is parallel to the third side, means DE is parallel to BC. So we can write given thing here, in triangle ABC, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is given here to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Okay, see, in this proof we will use the contradiction method. Contradiction method means we will suppose here that DE is not parallel to BC. Okay, suppose DE is not parallel to BC. So that means any other line we can draw which will be parallel to BC, isn't it? So we will write draw DE dash, suppose parallel to BC. So suppose DE dash, this point is dash, this line we have drawn which is parallel to BC. Okay, this is our assumption. Now we have to prove that our assumption is wrong. Therefore, DE will be parallel to BC. This is the contradictory method. We have, what we have to prove, exactly opposite we have to suppose. Okay, then by some logic, by some reason, by some steps, we should prove that our assumption is wrong. So whatever is there, means whatever we have to prove, that is correct. So now we have drawn DE parallel to DE dash parallel to BC, isn't it? So by BPT, if this side is parallel to BC, that means this point divides the side, other two sides in the ratio, equal ratio, and AD by DB we can write as AE dash by E dash C. But in theorem it is given that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Let this be 1 and this be 2. So from 1 and 2, what we can write? We can write that, see, left hand side, both the expression left hand side is equal, so we can write right hand side equal. AE by EC is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Okay, now add 1 both the side. What will happen? Add 1, then cross multiplication. So AE plus EC by EC, AE dash plus E dash C by AC. Now if you observe, AE plus EC will give full complete side, that is AC, and AE dash plus E dash C is also AC. This is E dash C. So AC will go. We will get that EC and E dash C are equal. Okay. So E and E dash C are equal. So this cannot be true. है ना? But if these 2 points are same, then only we can say that these sides will be equal. That means E and E dash are not two different points. Okay. That implies E and E dash are not two distinct points. Therefore, E and E dash are, what we can write, same point, or E and E dash should coincide each other. Okay, must coincide each other. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC. So here we have proved converse of BPT.